Yeah. I have a good news for everyone. Now, Ghana has been like this: digital marketing and online marketing. These two have the same value. They work as the same. Digital marketing simple means having your shop in an online selling goods. Why online marketing is the act of selling your products online. So they are what? The same. This is something I want you to understand here. It is a digitalized way, so that's why I use all the two faces. Now, here is the case. Many people have been selling things on their platforms, selling goods, shirt and all products in their social media platforms. And here's the case if you want to start. How then do I also get the product to be able to sell? Which kind of product can I sell? And where do I even get that such expensive and low cost product to sell? How is my delivery going to be? Is it reliable? Is it reluctance? How then do I afford it? Don't worry, today I got to cover. I have found a new way to be able to get your product with just your phone. You are not going to any place to take pictures or something. There will be pictures already there that you are going to be able to upload into your phone to be able to set your market at your shop online, so that you'll be able to sell with your interest. You will not use your money to purchase. So this one has no value in a less of what is the name says. You are not going to buy it with any cost of your own capital, but rather you are going to sell from someone capital, but you charge your own interest based in the amount of thing you are going to sell. So assuming you are selling a product of 100 cedis and you earn a commission of 20 cedis, if you sell 10 in a day you can make up to 100 cedis without buying them to sell of your own. You'll be at the comfort of your zone in your house, and you can see anyone who market outside online that need product of that which you have access, you'll be able to ship to the person. So for us not to waste time, let me explain into details. Now my name is Ledger and I'm a person of the chairperson in GoProtect TV, and today I am going to eligibly deliberate you into this course, which is how to make money online and your online practical test, which we are going to be partaking in any kind of tech we want to be able to learn. Microsoft, Excel, database, which kind of thing do you want to learn? Graphic designing, anything about your education, mathematical aspect of things, you can be able to hit this platform and have every privilege and ability to be able to talk to you. And even into your business communication skills, how then do you stand to be able to write your resumes, to be able to appeal by your employers, to be able to become an employee in a company? How then do you propose for a product or a partnership from a particular company which is high esteemed more than your own? How then do you have a communication skills? All this are going to be teaching this platform. So if today has been your first time being to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification post, hit on the hit on the notification post, turn into all, then you'll be a family in this platform. You'll be joined to this platform automatically, and anytime that a video is being uploaded, you'll be the first person to be notified by YouTube that a video is being uploaded in the channel called GoProtect TV. Then you have every privilege and a chance to watch it without a cost. You won't pay anything. So please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you know this kind of videos are not your own, when you see it, skip. So if you want to support us, the only way you can support this channel is by liking and subscribing. So when you like our videos and subscribe it, put your comment there. We know whatever you want us to make videos. Anything that is bothering you, put it in the comment section, and there will be a Telegram channel and all kind of things in the description section. You can join and be partaking outside the course of this channel and also in the Telegram channel. So let's begin now. The name of this website is called Tendo. Tendo is an app which is allowed to be able to sell products to online. They take all the charges, but they need affiliate marketers. Who are those to sell this thing? Now, if you assign and register an account, you'll be able to get an account which you are not going to pay anything. There will be a product of which you want to sell. So any kind of product you want to sell, you select them. Then you advertise them in your platform. Then when someone is ready to purchase, we have a port where you are going to purchase. I'm going to go back to the Tedo app, then I'm going to show you from my screen way to way how you are going to be able to take this. So don't waste time, just hang up. Let's go for commercial break and come, and we'll jump into my screen. Boom, we are off. So to start, if you're using an Apple phone, you go to App Store. If you're using Android phone too, you go to Play Store. So I'm using an Apple phone, go to App Store. Then you type in Tendo. So
If any country you are, especially in these African countries, they'll bring your country name attached to the name of the app. Then you just type on it and you search. Now, this is it. This one. That's the Tendo app. I've already downloaded it. They said resell. It's a reseller app, and they sell product. What you are going to do is you go and get a customer, then you come back and sell the product to the person. Then you add your interest, your commission. Then they will do the delivery and everything and send it to what the customer. So you don't have to suffer any stress. So you can open your store online, open it, take the pictures of this uh product which you want to sell and upload them in your software on any of your social media platform. Then when people purchase, then you do the instructions here, then they'll deliver the something to the person. So let me go in and teach you well how you're going to do it. Now, it have two ways. It have a referral program which you can use to make money from your friends too. As I'm talking, if I give you my referral code and you use it to sign in, then you also get a commission when I've been able to I get a commission when you've been able to uh possibly achieve a sale. Now, this is the product we have here. There are a lot of product here, many shoes, a lot of kind of product which are here, drinks and all kind of things. So you know the kind of store you want to sell online. If it is laptops, or which kind of things do you want to sell, which one, sandals, photos machines, laptops, desktops, all kind of things, shirt and perfumes, lights, bags and all kind of product you want to sell. They have them all. So you come here. When you finish, when you download it, it will not just come here. You have to create your account, put on your details. When you finish verifying, then you open into this. You use your email account and verify it. When you are done, this is the interface or the dashboard of this platform. So this is how it look. Now when you look down here, we have home, we have category, we have shop, then we have accounts. So now go to shop. The balance of you will be there. That's where they'll pay your commission in. So if you check here, I have 0.00. Now view wallet. So when you type it, you can view your wallet. How you can go and withdraw, or you can top up to be able to use it to purchase something here. So this is what you are going to do. Then we have sales here. The number of sales you made, data, they are all here. Since I did not make anything, they will not indicate it. So when you finish, this is how to look. Now you go to account. We have account here, help, referral. You see the referral here, refer and end. So that's where you end your second account. We have the verification where you've been able to do, you join their community, you see it, and all kind of things. Share your product, your wallet, and all kind of things. So these are them. When you come, you have to read it. Now they say my account is unverified. So my account is unverified. Since my account is unverified, you have to verify it. Then when you are done, you come here. You are only verifying your email account. You come here. Which product do I want to buy? Assuming I make an arrangement, someone want to buy an air condition. You tap on this air condition like that. Then the different type of air conditions will pop out. So assuming I want to buy the first one, let me type on it. So the price of this air condition is out here. The picture of it is here. So you can download it. You can just download this app. That is why you see it. You can add it to your shop or download it. So assuming you want to sell in the shop there, you can add it to the shop there. Then you add your interest and all those things. So you download the picture. Then any platform where you want to post it, whether it is in your platform, whether it is in Facebook, whether it is in TikTok or your WhatsApp that you want to upload it, then you advertise, then you download it. Then when you finish, this is what you are going to do: add to chat. Now this is the categories of it. You check, and they pay back everything that people did and recommendation of it and other similar ones. Then you press on add to chat. Then you come back. They said you have added this as a profit today, so you are going to add a profit. They already have their negotiation profit. They have 585 Ghana cedis and they have 1170 Ghana cedis as a profit line base. They have already target for you. Then if you are the one who want your profit to be low so that your customer will not purchase with more high cost and all those things, you can put 200 cedi or something, like any amount you want here. In here you can press there and type your amount. So you see it will come, you enter your amount. Then when you are done, you come back here, they'll add the profit here. You see they say my profit times 1, so they'll put it here. So they'll add it to the total. Then when you type on order now. So assuming, let me see, I have chosen this one as my this. So they have added the other 1,170 to the item. So it is now 7,020 cedis. So you type on. So when you are like this, before the customer have to buy, you know you are also doing delivery. If the customer is in the same town with you, then you know the locations and everything you are going to use, so that you will receive it. Then you take the money, then you do it within some days. You receive it, then you go give to the customer. Since the customer may not be, it's an online, someone may be buying from a different area, and you are also in a different town selling it. So all you are going to do is that you just collect the details of the person. So you choose here, that's the customer. Then you add new customer, sorry, you want to add a new customer, so you type here add a new customer. Then they'll bring here, you enter the name of the customer, email, then the number, then the city of where they are to send this thing. You set the area there in the city, then the landmark, particular center where they can find this person. Then you put it. When you submit, automatically to go to the people. Then they have gotten all the details. Then the payment section will be paid. Then they will deliver. You no pay anything. Then they will deliver the goods and take their money with their delivering commission. Then when the money is received from them, while you submit this, they will pay you your commission. So when they goes and they did not see the buyer, or the one who is buying, that one you have to be in critical condition. But you have to make sure your seller, the one who is selling, is accurate, and you know this person is real and legit. Then when the person pay you, earn your commission out from it. So this is all you have to do. You don't need to go to people's shop and snap videos or pictures to be able to get items to sell. Maybe you can take the pictures of those things, you even post them before you get a customer, they are sold. Then you are in trouble like that. You want to get it, you go get a wretched one, and it will distract your business. So to make a legit business, this is one thing I have recommended for you. If this video is helpful to you, thank you for watching, and we will talk more about this platform, how you can make more money of it, how you've been able to post in different platforms, and how you get customers. Thank you.